Good morning, we're at Cameron Family TV in Old Harbour. We're going to Goat Island today, a group of us, and this is, they're preparing the food.
We're doing the food prep. We go over to the island today. We're gonna have a nice day today, guys. We're gonna have lobster. We're gonna have lobster and fish. Yeah, so and we're gonna have breadfruit and festival and bami. So breadfruit, festival, bami. Escovitch fish, Escovitch lobster. So guys, come on down, Cameron Family TV. Let's take you guys over to the island so you guys can have a nice day. Yeah, that is it. Really nice fish. We're gonna put the pickle on. Yeah. This is what makes the fish excellent. Yeah man.
Not the front.
So we're gonna put the next one.
Oh, tell them where to park.
Get this, Mary, get this. Lobster. Yeah.
If you can smell this, it smells so beautiful.
Then boil it first and then take out the
Some
fat.
people boil it and take out the meat.
Meat. Okay.
Wow. So all this need now, guys, is the pickle. All the lobster and the fish need is just the pickle.
Lobster.
Real nice. So come on down, guys.
You don't know what you're missing.
Yeah.
Where are they going to go?
On your left. Right at the store.
And you see them pink? How come you not pink? The lobster, yeah.
When them fry them, change color. Look at the color.
Oh, yes.
Oh, right.
After the oil touch them,
Yeah.
so compare them. You see that? Yeah, so after the oil touch the lobster,
Yeah. Then go pink.
them change color.
Okay.
Take the
But
pink.
so then come out, to the sea, that color.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the color them come out with.
Okay, so please follow Cameron TV on YouTube, Cameron Family TV on YouTube. You've also got Dream Island TV on YouTube and One Stop Cultural Tours, which you're following on YouTube. So this is it. So we're at Old Harbour Bay this morning and we are getting ready. We're just preparing the fish. We're going to Goat Island for the day. We're having fish, bami, breadfruit, and just going to have lots of fun. So we've organised a tour, group of people coming down today. So yeah, why not come and join us on our next visit, whether you contact Cameron Family TV or ourselves, One Stop Cultural Tours Jamaica. Over and out.
What time are you leaving? You're not leaving here.